In this video, I will show you how to add a new worker and install the software for mining and monitoring your ASIC machines without using SSH. To install ASIC Hub non-SSH, you will need a separate Linux, Mac, or Raspberry Pi computer, which will act as a server monitoring ASICs in the local network. First, let's add a new worker to your MinerStat dashboard. Workers can be added, removed, and managed from the workers list. Navigate to Management and then click on Workers. Then click Add New Worker button. Now you will have to name your first worker. You can use uppercase letters, numbers, dash, and underscore, but the length of the worker's name should not exceed 15 characters. Select a name that will help you easily distinguish between your other workers, for example, Z11001. Select the type, which is in this case ASIC, and the system, which is your ASIC's model, for example, Antminer. You will need to enter your ASIC's local IP and the username and password you are using on your ASIC's web dashboard. You can optionally enter additional groups or locations for your worker. Type and system groups like ASIC and Antminer will be automatically added to the worker. If you, for example, want to distinguish between ASICs in different locations, you can enter a location name as a group. Enter the selected group name and press space or enter to confirm the group, like this. Click on Add Worker, and your worker will be added to the MinerStat dashboard. If this is your first worker, you will be automatically redirected to the worker's profile with installation instructions. If not, you can click on the worker's name or eye icon on the right to enter the worker's profile. Here you can see your access key, groups to which the worker is assigned to, and buttons that will lead you to the installation instructions. To start the installation wizard, you first need to open the terminal application on the computer that will act as a monitoring server and paste the installation command. Press Enter to enter the installation process. Enter your access key and press Enter to confirm it. Enter the group you want to monitor, for example, ASIC, and press Enter. If you will be monitoring ASICs at different locations, I suggest to avoid the general group and use different custom groups. You can then repeat this installation process for each group you want to monitor. On the next screen, select which firmware you are using on your ASICs with up and down arrow keys. To confirm selection, press space and then Enter to continue. Wizard will install all dependencies and set up cron tabs for monitoring your ASICs under the settings applied through the wizard. If everything was done correctly, you will be able to see your worker online on the dashboard shortly. Your worker will start mining to the pools and wallets you have already defined in your ASIC's official dashboard, but I will show you how to change it in the next video. You don't have to repeat this procedure for additional ASICs in the local network that you want to monitor. You can just add them to the dashboard and ASIC Hub will pick them up automatically.